Did you know the only Champions League goal ever assisted by a bird happened in the most impossible way? In 2019, Sporting Lisbon's Bruno Fernandes stepped up for a routine free kick against Lask. As he struck the ball, a seagull flew directly into its path 15 feet above ground. The collision sent the ball curving at a completely unpredictable angle around the defensive wall. The goalkeeper dove left, but the deflected shot soared into the top right corner. While the stunned bird fell onto the pitch, fans erupted in disbelief. Mathematical experts later calculated the timing was 1 in 10 million. Pure chance created football's most bizarre assist.